Hit too hard, gotta dip too hard, ain't gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Pretty little toes, stunting on these hoes. Buy another bag soon as I get paid. Bad little vibe, keep up on my side. Here's a dirty bitch, gotta catch this fade. Do it all the time, still I'm in my prime.
What's up, y'all? I'm back, of course, with another DIY video. And this one is making phone cases for your Galaxy or your iPhone. So first of all, y'all sleep if you don't get your cases from Dollar Tree. I mean, seriously, $1. So I just purchased a couple of them. I'm going to start by putting some lashes on this case because that's really cute and it's popular and in. So first I tried with this little marker that clearly didn't work out. Then I moved to this Sharpie. Sis, that didn't work out. So I ended up getting acrylic paint that I had in my house already. And I put that on there. The material was kind of like plasticky, which is probably why the Sharpies wasn't working out. But the acrylic paint did work out. My lashes were a little bit of a struggle lash, but of course, you know me, I'm extra. And in the end, I decided to add a pop of color, which is some gold. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. So this next case is super easy. You seriously buy whatever paper you want from Michael's, Joann's, wherever, Walmart, and you basically just measure it out using the same paper that the case came with. And you basically just cut it out and stick it in, and you seriously have a whole new case. Just make sure the case is clear, obviously, so you can see the paper that you're putting behind it. I don't know how I forgot this part, but don't forget to cut out that little part where the camera is. You're definitely gonna need it. I used an X-Acto knife on mine. It's super easy and you just pop it right out. After that, I decided to add stickers to mine because my handwriting is not A1. This is just gonna spell out good vibes, but I actually broke my last letter S. So we're just gonna act like it says vibes as in plural, even though it says good vibe. But someone could seriously still have a good vibe, right? This was so cute that I actually made two more. This marble one and another one with Queen. As you can see, my handwriting was a struggle. Camera died on this last case, but I thought it was cool to use some glow-in-the-dark paint. And when I actually turned the lights off, it actually worked. I had so much fun doing these cases. I mean, doesn't this give you that 90s vibe where you used to just chill on the phone, probably three-way with your girlfriends? I had to slow it down for you on this one because I was feeling this moment. You know, you got the hand behind your head on the phone till 3 in the morning. Well, guess what? You can make a case and be on your phone till 3 in the morning. All of these cases were so affordable and so easy. Anyone can really make anything they want. It's really limitless. So if you like any of my cases, please comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite. And of course, if you'd like to see any more DIYs, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.